Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and this behind me is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible. Autocross car, weekend car, summer fun car, not winter car. Summer onlys do not work in winter. I've tried. It's terrible. Don't ever do it. Now, this video, one in the series here through the wintertime, is going to be unboxing of parts for the car, getting in preparation for the twin turbo swap that's hopefully going to be occurring on everything. So this episode, we're going to be looking at ZSPEC's Upper to Lower Plenum Fastener Kit, which is this right here, which is the upper plenum to lower plenum. Realistically, you can get those bolts anywhere, but once I wanted to go stainless steel, nice caps on it, and ZSPEC just makes that stuff super handy to go get and saves me the hassle of going to town to like an Ace Hardware, a Menards, and any type of place with a hardware store or Fastenal to look for the right bolts and all the head caps. They've got it all there. You select it, shipped right to your house, saves you the hassle, time, and headache to try to find it. But that being said, if you do snap a bolt and need something like that, you could go do it. We're going to review this stuff, take a look at it. ZSPEC stuff, I have been nothing wrong with it. It's hardware, can't really mess it up. A lot of this stuff isn't super, it's not like APR stuff where you have to have specific tolerances and tightness because you're doing head bolts or something like this. These are just fasteners, so you can really just get it down to what torque spec is, and that's not going to be very much. Yeah, I will put in the description what these are for links. So if you wanted to go purchase them yourself somewhere else, along with the links to Z1, Concept Z, and actually ZSPEC's website, so you can buy these if you would like. Let's take a look at these, guys. Let's back over here to the nice little table. Bend you on down. Take a look. Once again, nice packaging. Always has been. These guys do a great job. These will be your washers. Once again, I do not know where these guys get these things at. Well, that's kind of a ripped bag, but I think I've opened this up a couple times already. Come on. So you got these nice machined aluminum little pieces for the caps on it. And then you got the length of the bolts. No part numbers on this stuff this time around. Let's take a look here. All these bolts except for one should all be the same size. It's pretty evident anyone who's ever done the upper plenum. This kit comes with lock washers to keep everything tight. So you got, should be 7 of these. 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope. Yeah, 7 right there, and one short one. Plus 7 lock nut washers, plus 7 caps. Because what you would do to make this work, put the cap in. It's a dress-up cap is what it really is. And then you throw the lock washer in. And this is going to look pretty. Now, once again, quality part, stainless steel, should look good. Now, it's not polished. Some guys will go for a much more polished look. I'm not a show car. I just want something that looks kind of pretty when you pop the hood. I'm going to be a little bit of vanity on that. So yeah, ZSPEC stuff, great. Here's packaging. Really good stuff. Let's take a look at the motor where this would be. And since I have 2 motors here, what it is these components right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the long ones. And then 8 is this guy. So what it would be is like right there. Now granted, this is a very dirty intake and not been cleaned up, but that's where that would go and threaded. So yeah, like I said, nice little video. Nothing fancy today. Short. Trying to keep this short and sweet for y'all. Like I said, in preparation of doing the twin turbo swap for the car, which I'll be saying that in every video for these unboxings. Just like the last video, big order from Z1 coming in for stuff. Still not everything I need for the car. Getting very close to having it where that motor would be good to go into any vehicle. Well, any 300ZX, except for injectors and turbos I haven't found yet. Well, I haven't saved the money up for it, let's be honest. The injectors aren't too bad. It's the turbos they're going to hurt. So, if you guys have any comments or questions, hit me up below. Any of this stuff I've got, once again, I will throw the links for those components from Z1, Concept Z, and ZSPEC on there, and along with what is included in the kit, and the thread pitch and length of the bolts, and the number of them you have. That way, if you wanted to go to like a hardware store, you can go buy it yourself and make your own little kit and figure out what you want to do for yourself. Because you don't necessarily need to rely on this stuff. You can do it yourself at home. So once again, everyone, thanks for joining with me, and we'll see you in the next unboxing video. Take care. Bye.